A dowser is the person who puts into practice a series of techniques that allow him to detect water underground. This is the most common description to define a person who has simply developed the ability to find water, usually using a Y-shaped tree branch, rods, or even a simple pendulum can also be used. Does the wood used have an intrinsic ability to detect water? Does the dowser use a specific magic to detect where to dig wells? Does a person have to have a natural gift to discover streams or rivers that are underground? None of these questions have an affirmative answer. Research has shown that different types of wood and different sizes of branches can be used with reliable results. There is no so-called specific magic to detect water. Finally, the most recognized dowsers do not consider themselves to have a natural or divine gift to detect hidden springs. Where is the secret? There is no secret. Virtually anyone can learn to carry out this activity. What is it based on? Simply in the ability of any human being to detect extrasensory information. Generally, the apprentice dowser usually learns the technique from another experienced dowser. The latter explains how to establish some basic premises about the environment and how to begin to differentiate slight changes of perception that can be amplified through the instrument, usually, the Y-shaped wooden branch. This means that vibratory or energetic changes are perceived at a subconscious level and, by means of an automatic muscular movement, pressure is applied to the tree branch that makes it move to indicate the presence of water. In short, the dowser detects bioenergetic changes in the subsoil that affect his body. Using a specific instrument, he performs apparently involuntary muscle movements that visually show the various places where the water circulates. If we consult Wikipedia about the dowsing method, we can read that it is a pseudoscience and that there is no scientific evidence to show that it is effective. However, in many towns and rural areas there are dowsers who earn a very good living doing their business on a regular basis. What does the dowsing method have to do with radionics? Simply that radionics is based on similar principles. Any person can use a radionic instrument to detect bioenergetic imbalances and establish parameters that lead to solving problematic situations. Radionics is based on the human ability to connect at a bioenergetic level with other people and with the environment. The radionics user learns to set the parameters using the sticky plate and some dials, instead of a tree branch. Finally, the use of radionics is extremely easy through a well-configured and authentic device. And, like the dowsing method of detecting water, radionics offer positive results that anyone can experience. If you want to learn more about radionics and its infinite possibilities, download now for free our complete ebook through the link in the description.